How to create Microsoft Forms in Outlook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create Microsoft Forms from your Outlook. So let's get started. First step, head over to your Outlook. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you do that, tap on this Apps section on the top left. After you tap on that, if you find Forms right here, great. If you don't find it, tap on More Apps and search for Forms. Open up Forms and it will redirect you to this page. Now, this can take some time to load, so wait for it. And after it loads, you can then start creating your account, form. So let's just log in first. So let's log into our Microsoft account, and there we go. So yeah, we can start choosing what you want to create. If you want to create a survey, tap on survey. If you want to create a quiz, do that. Or if you want to create registration or invitation, choose accordingly. I'll just tap on quiz. After I tap on that, it will redirect me to this page here where I can now use the template that I selected to start with a quiz. So let's simply type in this or that, give a description, and quick start. So here I can tap on choice. Let me do this or that here again, and then add in options right here. And I can add option as well by tapping on add option. And you can do that again and again till you're satisfied. And you can also add points. Now you can select a right answer for this. And let's say that this is the right answer and it has 10 points. Now you can tap on add new question again. You can tap on any of this right here. You can choose rating, text, net promoter score and stuff like that, date as well. And you can keep on doing that and create the form. There are also different templates available right here. After you've created your form, you can then tap on collect responses. And after you do that, tap on copy link and you can start sharing the link. And you're basically good to go. And that is how you can create Microsoft Form using your Outlook. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.